We had a little fire
There
keep
used
it
to
warm.
be 3 horses in here. There used to be 3. There used to be 3 in here. 1, 2,
That's some old graffiti there, isn't it?
There used to
1898.
be 3 horses in here, Paul.
I think there was 3 or 4 in the other one. Yeah, these badgers in here.
Badgers. You're doing a bit of filming, mate.
No, I'm going this way.
Warrington and back.
I'm going this way.
Did we come this way?
No, we're going that way, so we're going this way now.
Is it a bit of mine?
Yeah.
If we find out in here, we can bring it home back.
We could find it.
This is what we built. It was flattened.
Was it?
Yeah. So we built it back up again.
Did we come that way, Dad?
That's boring down that way.
Why is boring down that way?
There's some stress relieving going on here in the roof, isn't there? Fuck, yeah.
A big
That looks like it's about ready to come. That bit there. There was a crane there, was there?
Yeah.